This is Phillip Carpenter, and I'm with Summit Truck Group in San Angelo, Texas. And I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about our new LT product. It's replacing the Pro Star. I just want to tell you a little bit about how the truck is compared to our Pro Star. What we've got, we've changed the front end up a little bit on the hood, more of a sleek design. We've pretty well kept the same cab, but we've done a lot of upgrades. Let me show you what we've done. You can see the hood there. We went to pedestal mirrors right here, and a little bit more design on the windows, so our window drivers can see a little bit better here. Our doors are a lot heavier to support that pedestal mirror. It's got the dark cherry interior, which is the upgrade. You can still get a lighter, the mid-level interior on these trucks. And how this one is, this one's a 210 wheelbase, tandem day cab. We've got the batteries here, the DEF, and I've got 200-gallon tanks with a little bit of room if you need a pump or a blower or whatever you may need. Got plenty of room for a headache rack. It's on 24/5, all aluminums. Air slide fifth wheel. Got 14 fronts and 40 rear. Air ride suspension. We got a single stack, as you can see from the back right here. We have do not have an option for currently for twin stacks on the LT. I think it may be coming. After treatment, which is right down in here, has gone down about 40%, as you can see, which is going to relate into a lighter weight and more efficiency whenever we're dealing with our after treatment devices. Here's the passenger's got a seat here, and I always make the passenger seat the same as the driver's. That way you can switch them at a certain day whenever maybe the driver's seat wears out. All you do is switch them out. This one here has a clad aluminum bumper. You can also get it in a 3-piece, a painted or just a regular gray plastic bumper. This truck here has the X15 500 performance engine in it, so it's good for not really maybe a heavy haul, but a good haul truck that's going to haul anything legal load or a little bit more maybe. We've had really good luck with these motors. We can come to the passenger side. Everything is really spelled out a lot better. We can get to our stuff a little bit better. So there's a little bit more room up here because of the hood. We have a little bit more clearance right in here. Our mechanics will be able to get in there a little bit easier and better. And hop up in here. We can look at the dash. I'm going to go the other side. And this here has got the black dark cherry interior, the upgrade. It's got the upgrade on the dash. As you can see right here, all the controls are slanted towards the driver, which is awesome for a driver. Everything is right here. Whenever the driver is in, and I'm sure you heard that door shut, it shuts really well. And you have more ground clearance right here. This window, I mean, he doesn't even have to turn his head hardly to see everything that's going on right here, that's gonna be great for a driver and also great for the people that are around him. He can actually see them what's going on. Right about here I mean, that's just great visibility. Great visibility. Now, we're going to go to the sleeper. Our sleeper trucks, this here is a 240-inch wheelbase with a 73-inch high-rise sleeper. We can also get them in a flat top or a sky rise. You can also get them in the 56-inch sleeper. This one also has an X15 Cummins. This is a 450 efficiency motor. It's the clad aluminum, 10 aluminum wheels, the polished tanks, which they are on both sides of the truck. The neck cap, a single stack exhaust, and it's also on 24.5s with an air slide fifth wheel. This truck also is going to get a 7% better on the fuel economy compared to our older trucks, which directly gets into pocketbooks. People can actually see what they're saving. Once again, right here, here's the after treatment device, which has gone down 40%, which is going to be lighter, which you can haul more product. I'm going to pop this hood. Once again, it's got the X15, and you can see it's got plenty of room, and everything's just a lot more tidy. Very easy to see, very easy to get to. Once you get up in the truck, I'm going to show you a little bit about the sleeper. Once again, this truck also has the dark cherry interior, and it also has the gauge package, the upgrade on the cluster. The same dash. The buttons are the same, which they are etched in there now. They're not like they were, they're not going to wear off. Once again, we have great visibility. Awesome visibility. Pedestal mirrors, heavy doors. And then we've got a 73-inch stand-up high-rise sleeper with a fridge. You've got plenty of storage all the way around this sleeper. You've got it here, and then you have another little storage right here that you can keep stuff in. You have your controls at the back, and it is very tall, very spacious, very roomy, very comfortable. Those are our new LTs. One out here. We have a great product. They just came out. They just got released. They're hitting the grounds every day, guys. We can really do something with these, and like I said, it's replacing the ProStar, and it's got a great look to it and a great feel. Please give me a call. Like I said, my name is Phillip Carpenter with Summit Truck Group in San Angelo, Texas. I'll answer any question you got. Thanks, guys.